Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll all the way down and then go to general management. From here go to language. Now from here you can change your language. If you want to add your own language, then just tap on add language option. Now from here you can choose any language as you want. If I select English, now from here choose your region. If I select United States, then tap on set as default and it's done. Now you can see in my phone language has been changed successfully. Now if you want to go back UK English again, then just tap here, then tap on apply and it's changed. Also if you want to delete any language, just tap on edit and choose language from here. Then tap on remove, then tap on remove again and it's done. And that is how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.